All right, this is just me getting the car ready to go on the dyno for the first time. After fixing the charge pipe and making another pull, here's what the car did on wastegate. This is about 14 pounds of boost. And here it is with some dome pressure finally. This is the car on 24 pounds of boost. This is that same pull. The lower graph on the chart is boost. So you got power and torque on the top, boost along the bottom. And I changed it from RPM to time for the horizontal scale. So you can see how laggy it is. It takes forever for the turbos to come on. It's 6 seconds before I cross 10 pounds of boost. In an effort to get the turbos to come online quicker, I added nitrous to the combination. This is essentially the same dyno pull as before, but there's 125 horsepower shot of nitrous. The nitrous shuts off once it reaches 10 pounds of boost. Same dyno chart, the previous pull in blue, the nitrous pass in red. You can see it sped the boost up by about 2 seconds. Instead of taking 6 seconds to get to 10 pounds of boost, it only took 4, so that helped. Hopefully that's enough and things will go well at the track. That should be the next video. Thanks, guys.